you worry about booking your next hiking trip? Well, worry no more. At Lakbay Habagat Travel Agency, we are here to help your trip planning easy, stress-free, and truly unforgettable. People of all ages, how are you today? Mabuhay ug madayaw, I am Ashley Rain C. Bore, the travel manager, proudly presenting Lakbay Habagat Travel Agency. We specialize in crafting meaningful adventures across Mindanao to help travelers explore its natural beauty and rich culture with ease and comfort. In Lakbay Habagat, tuklasin ang mundo, damhin ang kalmado. Today, I am honored to share with you our exclusive tour package, A Journey to the Heart of Tibuli. Our travel agency slogan, Tuklasin ang mundo, damhin ang kalmado, perfectly captures the beauty and adventure this experience offers. Did you know? Tibuli is one of the home of indigenous people and are known for its colorful culture and weaving. Tibuli town has officially become a municipality in 1974. The Tibuli people has a long history of protecting their land and traditions, all while living peacefully in the mountains of South Cotabato. Today, I'm going to share with you the Journey to the Heart of Tibuli tour package. As you can imagine, if you imagine seeing it all in person, I assure you it is going to be a great and truly magical journey. Before we dive in, please take a copy of our brochure. This will guide you through our itinerary and what to expect on this amazing package.
Thank you, ma'am.
Now, let's start with a short promotional video. This video showcases the Lakbay Habagat Travel Agency and our exclusive tour package, The Journey to the Heart of Tibuli. Now that you've got the chance to review our brochure and watch our promotional video, I am excited to share more about the facilities you can enjoy during your trip. First, let's talk about where you will stay. Accommodation has been carefully arranged to ensure your comfort and safety on your 2 nights stay. On the first night, you will stay at SARS Paradise Resort. Here, it's a 20-minute drive from Lake Colon. Here you can expect a cozy rooms with restful settings and perfect for unwinding after your travels. This resort has well-organized rooms with desk, shower, electric kettle, and a wardrobe for your convenience. You can also enjoy their amenities like a swimming pool, a beautiful garden with shady trees, a free Wi-Fi, and a parking. On the second night, it involves camping at Lake Colon's shores with tents and sleeping bags provided for your comfortable nature immersion. Next, let's talk about where you will eat. Your culinary journey starts at Drake's Food House in General Santos. Here you'll get get to enjoy freshly prepared meals and fresh and flavorful Filipino dishes that you can enjoy during your trip and can boost your energy on your adventures ahead. Next, you'll dive in the Enrique's Kitchen. It is a hearty local cuisine that can fuel your energy on your adventures ahead on the next day to Lake Colon. During your camping experience, you'll be enjoying freshly prepared meals and mixed with vegetables and proteins with a healthy mix. And all while looking at the stunning views and participating in activities like swimming, kayaking, and photo ops for a wholesome dining and adventure experience at Lake Colon. To conclude your trip, we've selected the Tao Lake Restaurant as your final dining spot in Tiboli. Here you can appreciate the beauty of Tiboli through its specialities, delicious specialities, and lakeside ambience. This is followed by a quick stop at Langdolay Weaving Center where there is a shopping experience to pick up Tinalak souvenirs. Lastly, how to get there? Getting to Tiboli is very convenient. With a round-trip transfer from Davao City and a private van organized through Lakbay Habagat Travel Agency. Our all-inclusive 3 days and 2 nights, a journey to the heart of Tiboli tour package is now available at 5,760 pesos per person. This rate includes round-trip private van, comfortable accommodations, required permits, knowledgeable tour guides, camping and entrance fees, all specified meals and snacks, activities, and a token of appreciation. Bottled water will be provided daily, and a basic first aid kit will be available for your safety, hydration, and comfort from start to finish. If you have any questions about the travel of Journey to the Heart of Tiboli, I am here to help you. Here is our business card and leaflet for an easy reference. If you want to book. Thank you for listening. Book now and discover the piece of Tiboli's wonder. Again, I am Ashley C. Barrett, the travel agency manager of Lakbay Habagat Travel Agency. I'm happy to assist you anytime.
Yay!
Hello, good day. My name is Erin Caballero. I am from the Nautica Travel Agency. Let me take you on a journey that has a beautiful and breathtaking destination, which is the Camiguin Island. Camiguin Island is famously known as Island Born of Fire. So if you're going to get away where pristine beaches, crystal clear waters, and rich culture and peaceful nature that comes together, then Camiguin Island is the perfect place for you to go. And also, perfect place for you to go. So I am very excited today to present to you our 3 days and 2 nights package tour, Camiguin Island Getaway, for 9,000 pesos. So to give you the best of relaxation, adventure, and unforgettable experience. So now let's proceed on the Camiguin history. So a little bit of Camiguin history. So Camiguin Island was shaped by a volcanic activity that its earned name is the Island Born of Fire. So Island Born of Fire in 1871, there was a volcanic eruption that happened in Camiguin Island that transformed the landscape there, and it created a landmarks such as the Sunken Cemetery and also the the old church ruins. So that's a little bit of history. So now let's move on to destinations to visit. So in day one itinerary of this package tour, so from Davao City to Camiguin Island, we transport using land travel and sea travel, which is the ferry and van transportation. And in day one as well, we will be visiting to historical sites of Camiguin, which is the Sunken Cemetery, Old Church Ruins, and walkway to the volcano. And in day two of the tour, we will visit the beautiful destinations and we will visit these destinations, the island adventure of Camiguin. And the White Island sandbar is a stunning white sandbar that has a perfect view of Mount Hibok and a sea all around you. It's ideal for swimming, for snorkeling, and also for sunbathing. So the next is the Santo Niño Cold Spring. So Santo Niño Cold Spring has a refreshing crystal clear waters, and it's perfect for perfect for swimming during like the heat season. If you want to get cold, you can get relaxed through this by that. And next is the Katibawasan Falls. Katibawasan Falls is 250 foot, and it's surrounded by lush greenery, and also it's by the green plants around the place, and it's ideal for like taking beautiful pictures or relaxation. So for the exclusions for this package tour, for inclusions we have the ferry and van transportation, and a professional tour guide license, which you will have that to guide you throughout the tour. And the next we have is the 2 nights hotel accommodation, where you will stay at the Mambaja Hotel and a 4-star hotel in Mabini Hotel. And next is the daily breakfast. You will also try out the main kind of local delicacies or cuisine in Mambaja. The next one is the private island tour with air-conditioned vehicle, and also boat rental to White Island, and entrance and environmental fees. So that's for inclusions. And for the exclusions is your personal expenses, or the souvenirs, and or the kanang mga meals not really indicated in the itinerary. So the next is so if you're looking for a perfect or travel experience that you're into, like beaches, nature, or relaxation, adventure, then Camiguin Island is the perfect place for you to visit or go. And here is for inquiries and bookings. Here is the contact information of our agency. This is the email address, the phone number, and our address to agency. Yun na po.
Okay, sige. Opo ka muna doon.
I hope you're doing well today. My name is Janine P. Castillo, and I'm here in front of you standing to represent my agency, which is the La Agbacal Travel and Tour Agency. So the La Agbacal Travel and Tour Agency, or our agency goals, are of course to explore and discover hidden gems of the province. And of course, we aim to give satisfaction to the customers, for them to be able to for us to be able to give them the suitable destinations of their so-called vacation mood. So we have here a journey to Lubon, a 3 days, 2 nights tour with the La Agbacal Travel and Tour, with our theme that your horizon be your guide to harmony. So this tour came from a province of Davao Oriental. municipality out of 10 that Davao Oriental has to offer with us. So our package tour will lead you to will present you a natural beauty, cultural treasures, and of course, a seascape tranquility. So in our day one, of course, you will just have a brief presentations here. In fact, we have our day one, our main destination, which is the Pamian Falls. So Pamian Falls is you will be amazed of this twin level waterfalls. So good for a nature walks, and of course, we can also have our picnic beside the falls as well. And of course, just a walking distance from the Pamian Falls, we have a heat hot spring, which is good for afternoon relaxations, and of course, soaking your muscle after the trip. Of course, we'll have our second day. And by the way, not included. Of course, in the first day, we will be going to check in the Hoofman Inland Resort. And the second day, we will be heading to the Kauwang Beach. The Kauwang Beach is non-known beach of Lupon, which is located at the Lupon Davao Oriental. This Kauwang Beach will be going to explore or experience snorkeling, and of course good for fishing. It's a peaceful surrounding that good for also for again relaxation. And of course, we will not be going to check in the Kauwang Beach, but we will be going to check in the Kapunihoan, which is the best beach also that found in Lupon. For our last day, we have our running tour, which was the Lupon Cultural Stop. So we call it Lupon Cultural Stop because we will be heading to Lupon People's Park. We'll also heading to St. Vincent Ferrer Parish, which is the big and the old church of Lupon. We will be also encounter or visit the municipality of Lupon, which is the old and the new municipality of Lupon. We will be also heading to the local market of Lupon, which we will be going to engage for souvenir shopping and or you want some pasalubong to your trip. And of course, did you know that Lupon is where food is everywhere? You can find food in the other side, beside, and in front of you. There's a food and everywhere because Lupon people love foods, love to eat. So, of course, in this tour, I would just like to tell you that we'll be going to dine in the first, we expect us to dine in the New England restaurant, and of course, we will not be going to escape the empanadahan, the seaside empanada where tourists really go there just to try the best empanada of Lupon. And of course, we will also expect to dine us in the Kainan sa Pantalan. It's also good for the evening or the night relaxations with a gathering. It's a kainan where you feels like a feast or festival. And of course, that was just only the brief presentations of our tour package. And now, I will be giving to you this brochures of us, which is this tour will cost of 6,600 pesos, including everything now. So, but the accessibility of this or the transportations will be just from Davao City going to the Davao Oriental or our destinations. So excluded the plane tickets if you're not here came from Davao City. So for any inquiry or something, you will be going to just contact with us. I will be going to give it to you, and of course for any guide for my presentations for you to be guided to what tour will be expected also. Inclusions and exclusions will be there, and I think that will be all. Thank you.
Okay, palakpak.
Mabuhay and madaya to each and every one of you. My name is Micaela Zingdi Caceres, Assistant General Manager at New Travel Corporation, and I am here to introduce you a package that definitely worth your experience. Introducing Bound to the City, a farm to festival itinerary that we will be visiting Kidapawan City, that is located at Mindanao, Philippines. Before we proceed to the package, package, allow me to explain who we are and the goals we need to achieve. We Travel Corporation is a travel agency that creates excellent tour packages and services through dedicated training and knowledge about different destinations that will blow our consumers' mind. Our goal is to make sure our clients won't regret choosing us after purchasing our products. Did you know Kidapawan City is known as the city of fruits and highland springs due to its abundant natural resources and the proximity to Mount Apo. Because of it, Kidapawan City became a hot topic that outsiders are wondering, what is Kidapawan City all about? And why are different people are curious about it? That's why we created this tour package to make sure outsiders can experience what is Kidapawan City all about. In our first day, we get to meet up at Davao International Airport. Please take note that the flight booking is not part of the package due to the changes of pricing, whether it's Philippine Airlines, Cebu Pacific, and so much more. After meeting up and going into our private vehicle, of course we're going to travel to Kidapawan City. Of course, after arriving at Kidapawan City, we will be starving. That's why we have to stop by at Dampa sa Kidapawan. It is located at 2nd Block Diamond Street, Kidapawan City. Locals say that it is the best buffet in town for its symphony flavors to tantalize their taste buds with their sumptuous seafood delights to savory grilled favorites. After filling our stomachs, let's proceed to our first destination of the day, the Jacuzzi Antapan Mountain Resort. It is located at Barangay Ilobamis, Kidapawan City. This resort is known as the natural, sulfur-infused hot water, along getting soaked in a hot tub. This resort actually features the infamous Lake Alco. Because Lake Alco, you can experience mud baths, especially for people who care about their skin, and it is actually part of their skin routine. After having a relaxation at this mountain resort, we proceed to our accommodation of the day, Camp Cesaria. It is still located at Barangay Ilobamis, Kidapawan City, a paradise where you get to experience a peaceful atmosphere, affordable accommodations, which you will be staying, and an activity where you can roam and fishing. Day two of our tour. After having fun at this one, we proceed to our second destination of the day, Twin Falls. It is still located at Barangay Indangan, Kidapawan City. Because from the word twin, it features two wonderful waterfalls that locals visited because of its cold temperature. Having fun, we get to rest at our accommodation of the day, the AJ Highline Hotel. It is located at Barangay Plaridel Street, Kidapawan City. This hotel is actually known for their clean rooms and wonderful dishes. Day 3, the most exciting part of the day. You get to experience the infamous Timpopo Festival, one of the most exciting festivals in the city, because you get to participate such as meeting locals, and you get to view different competitions. After experiencing this festival, before we go back to Davao International Airport, we get to eat lunch.
Mag-close ka na kaya it's already, you have 48 seconds left.
Then, after eating, we get to eat lunch at Don's Cafe. Then, here, the pricing 6,099 pesos because it features bike per person, which includes transportation, accommodation, activities, and fees. Before you proceed to our booking, we would like you to follow our terms and conditions. First, deposit of the non-refundable deposit of 3,000 pesos and full payment before 2 weeks of our policy. Second is please make sure to follow the rules and regulations. Third, loss of belongings is not a responsibility. And lastly, there will be no cancellations or
No cancellation.
there will be no cancellations or refunds upon unutilized nights and confirmed booking.
Okay.
If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to approach me afterwards. And if you want further information, there will be a website or social media platforms you get to visit for legitimation. Thank you for listening and have a good day.
Okay.
Maayong buntag, mabuhay amazing traveler. I'm Farah Unicadi Daquila, your travel presenter from Grand Voyage Tour and Travel Agency, your partner in fun, adventure, and unforgettable memories. Today, I'm beyond excited to take you to that beautiful place in Banay Banay. Welcome to the sunny province of Banay Banay, Davao Oriental. Davao Oriental is home to beaches, mountains, rivers, and local people who smile like they're very part of the family. Also, Banay Banay known as the land of greenery, rich in natural landscapes, traditions, and humay. Yes, rice lovers, this is your paradise. This place won't disappoint you because Banay Banay will make you happy, enjoy, feel relaxed in a peaceful place, and you will experience a lot in this place. For our package, we have 4 attractions that we will visit at Banay Banay. In day 1, Davao Oriental Welcome Park. And here we begin. Bring out your phones because this place is a certified selfie hotspot. Fresh air? Check. Mountain views? Check. Photos that makes you look like a K-drama star? Check. Now check. This is your first stop. Capture the stunning mountain views, the places, and the food stops. After Davao Oriental Welcome Park, we will go at Bunhumi Leisure and Resort. Your home for 3 days and 2 nights. Your room is air conditioned, so don't worry, hindi ka maiinitan. Enjoy the beach, the pool, the peaceful place, and enjoy watching sunset and sunrise. In day 2, tayo fun and adventure. Now, this is where the fun really begins. Try the Zorball, ride the ATV, or test your aim in target shooting, or explore the nature like a real adventure. There are more activities in Diapharm and adventure that you will enjoy and feel excited. Warning, extreme fun ahead. Our last day in Banay Banay, we will experience Banayan Festival. Get ready to dance, smile, and even join the parade. The festival has colorful costumes, lively dances, local music, and delicious food. It's the celebration of culture, harvest, and community. Plus, this is the perfect time to buy souvenirs na pang-flex sa mga friends. For our quick history of Banay Banay, Banay Banay was primarily inhabited with the Mandayas and the clans of Kauswagan, Panikian, and Mahayag, and Kalagans of inshore lines and the Mount Rivers of Iso, Pumaton, Mugbongpugon, and Maputi, which they have a strong settlements and a Muslim governance on that area, led by Datus or Imams. So, traveler, if you're wondering how to get there, of course, we'll travel from Davao City to Banay Banay using a private van, perfect for kwentuhan, playlists, and dream pictures. The ride takes around 2 to 3 hours or 3 to 4 hours depending. For our accommodations, as I said earlier, your home for 3 days and 2 nights is at Bunhumi Resort. You'll enjoy beachfront views, comfortable and air-conditioned rooms, clean bathrooms, Wi-Fi. Yes, you can upload your photos while you are in the resort. And last, perfect for banding. The Grand Voyage Tour and Travel Agency won't disappoint you because you will have your best vacation in Bane Bana. For our total package rate for 3 days and 2 nights, a minimum of 8 people is only 5,000 pesos. This includes accommodation, transportation, entrance fees, tour guide, activities, meals at selected stop, and photos documentation. All you need to bring is yourself and some energy for fun. Don't worry, travelers, you won't go hungry because we'll give you your satisfaction on these food places. In day 1, lunch at Kadon Cafe at Davao Oriental Welcome Park, dinner at Bunhumi Resort. Day 2, same location for our breakfast at Bunhumi Resort, lunch at Zion Farm and Adventure Restaurant, dinner at ACS Piscay, day 3, breakfast at Green Cuisine, and last lunch and last meals as is at Festival Grand. So travelers, are you ready for a trip that's fun, relaxing, excitement, meaningful, and full of, oh my God, ang gandang moments? Join us at Grand Voyage Tour and Travel Agency, where every journey is more than a trip. It's a grand voyage. Book now and let's experience and celebrate and eco attractions. Feel the breeze air of Bani Banay Davao Oriental. Tara na, ug adto na ta. This is our brochure and calling card, ma'am. I will give it to you. For more information and more details and clarification, you can ask me. Thank you and thank you for your time.
Okay, palak.
Hi, it's Maria. Good morning and a pleasant day to all of you. So, Bell Adventure Tour and Travel Agency. So, this is our brochure. It covers Russian streams and rainforest paradise. Today, I will be presenting the 2 days and 2 nights of Agusan del Sur Adventure, priced at 6,650 per person. Agusan del Sur Agusan del Sur is known for its caverns, rushing streams, and rainforest paradise. And this is a quick history of Agusan del Sur. So Agusan del Sur was born in 1967, and Prosperidad is the capital of Agusan del Sur. So Agusan del Sur is rich in gold and timbers, and this is also the home of Manobo and Higaonon tribes. And for the route, Davao City to begin of our journey, we begin to Davao City, which is the departure point. And then we stop over to Moncayo to have a quick rest and refreshment at a local cafe. And then after, we travel to Prosperidad to witness the caves and waterfalls, and followed by a comfortable overnight stay at a hotel. And in day 2, we go to San Francisco to have relaxation in the warmth of nature and the eco farm and resort. So here is the main destination of our tour package. First is the Puting Buhangin Cave. Puting Buhangin Cave formation and a series of an underground pathway. It is perfect for exploring a hidden natural wonders. And the second is the Vega Falls. Vega Falls it is a multi-layered waterfalls that you can enjoy by trekking and swimming there in a cold and cool and clear water. And the second is in the Mount Magdiwata Eco Farm and Resort. So you can relax here and unwind and unwind. So for the accommodations, we offer 2 relaxing overnight stays in the Farmers Inn Hotel in Prosperidad. So guests and travelers will expect the clean rooms, the soft beds, and the peaceful of the environment. And the second accommodation is in the Mount Magdiwata Eco Farm and Resort, where you can relax and unwind after the full day of activities. And after that, the restaurants, we have here the Incredible Food House, the Mayas Grill House and Restaurant, and the Tutlu Luto Manaay Seafood Restaurant. It is a great restaurant in a local food shops. This is the local food shops. So what's included here in our package tour is air-conditioned private van with driver and fuel, 2 nights accommodation in Prosperidad and San Francisco, and a tour guide and the foods, and also the first aid kits and the life vest and for the cave exploration. And also it has a drone or group photography session. However, personal expenses and souvenirs, additional meals and extra snacks, optional activities not listed in itinerary is not included. So here is the brochure, and I will give it to you, ma'am. So you can contact us, and you can see where to find us and where to contact us.
Okay.
My name is Fredzel May Ganza. Today I'm going to present my tour package called Wild and Peaks. My theme is escape the city, embrace the wild experience, the adventure of a lifetime. So this may focuses on nature, fresh air, and beautiful views found in Davao. So I will share with you what the tour includes and why it is a great experience. So this tour is perfect for the people who want to take a break from the busy city. It invites us to slow down and relax and enjoy the peaceful environment of nature. So as you can see in the picture of the slide, as you can see in the picture on the slide, it shows the mountain scenery, calm, quiet, and refreshing. So this is already give us an idea of what the whole tour feels like. So in this presentation, I will talk about the destination, the activities, and what visitors can expect during our trip. So this tour is made for people who love nature, people who want adventure, and people who simply wants to relax. So this tour is the goal of this tour is to bring visitors closer to nature, so that you can experience the cold mountain air, peaceful views, and wildlife that you don't usually see in everyday life. So as you can see in the picture, the places we will visit is surrounded by trees, plants, and wild open spaces and clear skies. So this is a scene help us to feel calm, and aside from that, to refresh. So this tour is teach us to how to appreciate nature and of course take care environment. So now, next I will share the 3 main destinations in this tour. So first is the Eden Nature Park. So this is where visitors can take a walk and enjoy the garden, and of course breath fresh air. And this is already a perfect place to take a relax and forget the stress for a while. So this view is beautiful, and you can give us a close connection to nature. So you can take a picture, enjoy the scenery, and aside from that, you can explore the different areas of this park. So the second destination is the Eden Nature Park. So this is where visitors can see the Philippine eagle, one of the rarest and biggest eagle in the world. And also, this is a very important to our country because this is a national treasure. So the last one destination is the Mount Apo view. So visitors will see a beautiful view of Mount Apo, which is the highest mountain in the Philippines, and a wonderful sight for everyone. So this brochure helps and shows the and helps you to show the important, or you have any clarification, ma'am? And also, if you have any concern or inquiries, you can feel free to contact me.
Okay.
Thank you for listening. I hope this presentation helps you to show the beauty and
The beauty. Period. Go. Sige, next.
My name is Shay from Shay Travels and Tours, and today it is my pleasure to present to you the beauty, culture, and adventure that awaits you in Panabo City, proudly known as the banana capital of the Philippines. It is located in the province of Davao del Norte. This title earned by Panabo because it houses thousands of hectares of banana plantation, including one of the world's largest Tadeco plantation. And a little bit of history, before it became Panabo, it is derived from the word Pana sa Boboy. The indigenous Aita, that are the settlers of the area, used it to hunt one board, which is the bow and arrow, Pana sa Boboy. Eventually, the people combined the word, hence Panabo City. So let's proceed to our tourism sites and attractions. For our natural attraction, we have Mabunao Eco Park. Mabunao Eco Park that is perfect for nature walk, fresh air, and photo opportunities. Second one is Mangrove Forest Boardwalk. It is a boardwalk that is surrounded by lush mangrove. For our man-made and cultural attractions, we have Tadeco Plantation Tour, Tadeco Plantation, which will be guided by a banana plantation tour. And the second one is Mariculture Park, which we will know how the fish cages are set up and the marine production works. The third one is Panabo Museum, a cultural spot where we can learn about Panabo's heritage, artifacts, and Panabo's growth. The fourth one, last but not the least, Baywalk, Panabo Baywalk, where we can have a sunset view, chill coastal vibes, and street foods. It is perfect for family, friends, even solo travelers or couples. And not only that, in terms of accessibility, traveling to Panabo usually takes about 45 minutes to 1 hour from Davao, and in our package tour, transportation is already included. In accommodation, we also have tourists that usually stay in Panabo go for affordable inns or hotels that are clean, comfortable, and budget-friendly. For the exciting part that we've all been waiting for, the Coastal Heritage and Nature Escape Tour, price is 5,290 pesos. And you can see it in our package tour, all the inclusions, the exclusion, and all the tour highlights and timeline itinerary. You can see where We have our Facebook page, contact number, and email where you can reach out when you want to book your adventure today. See you in Tanabu, where adventure meets culture and beauty. Thank you.
Okay.
Mabuhay, Madayaw! I am Mike Angelo C. Makabugaw, and today I would like to present the beauty of my chosen destination, the peaceful and charming city of Mati, located in Davao Oriental. This place is known for its stunning white sand beaches, calm ocean breeze, and a cool wind, perfect for walking, resting, and enjoying the scenery. For tourism attractions in Mati are abundant. Starting with its natural attractions, Mati is home to the Hikan Beach, a long stretch white sand with gentle waves and peaceful view. And for man-made attractions, Mati offers sites highlighting the local culture and lifestyle. The Subangan Provincial Museum lets visitors explore the history, traditions, and the natural wonders of Davao Oriental. Mati offers some of the freshest seafood in the region. Seniors can enjoy grilled fish, kinilaw, prawns, and other favorites. For the package tour, the trip is 3-day and 2-night itinerary, costing 7,000 per person with a minimum of 10 participants. And for the accommodations, the package tour includes round-trip transportations, first aid kit, 5 meals, and entrance fees, and also water bottle and free and a relaxing travel. And what makes Mati truly unique is its calm, and the atmosphere Thank you for listening, and I hope you visit Mati, and I thank you.